హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మీ రాజేష్ దుంతుల. ఈరోజు మనం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2.4లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఎవాల్యుయేట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వితౌట్ మల్టిప్లయింగ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, 103 into 107. 103 into 107, ఆల్సో రైట్ 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. 107 is 100 plus 7. Using third identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, that equal to 100 square plus a plus b 3 plus 7 into x is 100. ఇక్కడ x ఎంతమ్మా 100 plus ab means 3 into 7. So 100 square means 10,000. 3 plus 7 10 into 100 plus 3 into 7 21. So 10,000 plus 1000 plus 21. So 10,000 11,021. Second one, 95 into 96. 95 also write 100 plus minus 5 into 96 also write 100 plus minus 4. So x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So that equal to 100 square plus a is minus 5 plus b is minus 4 into x is 100 plus ab means minus 5 into minus 4. 100 square means 10,000 plus minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 into 100 plus minus into minus plus 5 4s 20. So 10,000 minus 900 plus 20. 10,020లో నుంచి 900 రిమూవ్ చేస్తే 9,180. 9,100 plus 20. So that equal to 9,120. Next third one, 104 into 96. 104 means 100 plus 4. 96 means 100 minus 4. This is the identity x plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y square, that equal to 100 whole square minus 4 whole square. 100 whole square means 10,000 minus 4 square means 16. So 10,000 లోంచి 16 రిమూవ్ చేస్తే 9,984. Next third problem, factorize the following appropriate identities. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So this one also write 9x square means 3x whole square plus middle term తర్వాత రాద్దాం, లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ వచ్చేసి y square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 2xy plus y square. So 2 into 3x into y. 2 3 6 6xy. Okay, so this is the identity amma, x square plus 2xy plus y square equal to x plus y whole square, that equal to where x is 3x plus y is y. So 3x plus y whole square, that equal to 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Second one, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So 4y square also write 2y whole square, middle term right after, last term 1, so 1 square. Here minus is there, so minus 2 into 2y into 1. So this is the identity x square minus 2xy plus y square equal to x minus y whole square, that equal to 2y, x is 2y minus y is 1, so 2y minus 1 whole square, that equal to 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. Next third one, x square minus y square by 100. So x square means x whole square minus y square by 100 means y by 10 whole square. This is x square minus y square formula. x plus y into x minus y. So that equal to, where x is x plus y is y by 10. So x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Next, fourth one, expand each of the following using suitable identities. So first one, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. First one, x plus 2y plus z. First one, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So this is the identity amma, x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So that equal to x means x whole square plus y means 2y whole square plus z means 4z whole square plus 2 into x is x, y is 2y plus 2yz, 2 into y is 2y into z is 4z plus 2 into z is 4z into x. So x whole square, x square plus 2y whole square, 4y square plus 4z whole square, 16z square plus 2 into 2, 4xy plus 2 2's 4, 4 4's 16 yz plus 2 4's 8, 8zx. Second one, 2x minus y plus z whole square. This one also write 2x plus minus y plus z whole square. Same identity. So x square means 2x whole square plus y square means minus y whole square plus z square means z whole square plus 2xy. So 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2yz, 2 into minus y into z plus 2zx, 2 into z into 2x. 2x whole square, 4x square plus minus y whole square, y square plus z square plus into minus minus 4xy plus into minus minus 2yz plus 2 2's 4zx. Next, third one, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. So minus 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 2z whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into 2z plus 2 into 2z into minus 2x. So minus 2x whole square, 4x square plus 3y whole square, 9y square plus 2z whole square, 4z square plus into minus minus 2 2's 4, 4 3's 12, 12xy. Okay, plus 2 3 6, 6 2's 12 yz minus plus into minus minus 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8 zx. Fourth one amma, 3a minus 7b minus 7 minus c whole square. So that equal to 3a plus minus 7b plus minus c whole square. So that equal to x square means 3a whole square plus y square means minus 7b whole square plus z square means minus c square plus 2xy, x is 3a into y is minus 7b plus 2yz, y is minus 7b, z is minus c plus 2zx, z is minus c, x is 3a. 3a whole square, 9a square plus 7b whole square, 49b square plus minus c whole square, c square plus into minus minus 2 3 6 6 7 42, a into b, ab minus into minus plus 2 7 14, bc plus into minus minus 2 3 6 ac plus 14 bc minus 6 ac. Next one, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square, that equal to minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z whole square. So that equal to minus 2x whole square plus 5y whole square plus minus 3z whole square plus 2 into minus 2x into 5y plus 2 into 5y into minus 3z plus 2 into minus 3z into minus 2x minus 2x whole square 4x square plus 5y whole square 25y square plus minus 3z whole square 9z square plus into minus minus 2 2's 4 4 5's 20 xy plus into minus minus 2 5's 10 10 3's 30 y into z yz minus into minus plus 2 3 6 6 2's 12 zx. Next one 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square equal to 1 by 4a plus minus of b plus 1 whole square. So that equal to 1 by 4a whole square plus minus of b whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2 into 1 by 4a into minus of b plus 2 into minus of b into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 by 4 into a. So 1 by 4a whole square a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 square అంటే 1 2 to cancel plus into minus minus a into b ab by 4 2 to cancel plus into minus minus b 2 ones 2 2's plus a by 2. Next fifth problem factorize first one 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే z టర్మ్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ ఉంది. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x 4x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ని 2x హోల్ స్క్వేర్గా రాద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ 9y స్క్వేర్ 4x స్క్వేర్ని 2x హోల్ స్క్వేర్గా రాసాం. 9y స్క్వేర్ని 3y హోల్ స్క్వేర్గా రాస్తాం. ఇక్కడ z టర్మ్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ 4z హోల్ స్క్వేర్గా రాస్తాం. x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ z స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2xy x ఈజ్ 2x y ఈజ్ 3y ప్లస్ 2yz y ఈజ్ 3y into z ఈజ్ మైనస్ 4z plus 2 into z is minus 4z x is 2x. So this is the identity x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx equal to x plus y whole square. So that equal to x is x plus y plus z whole square. X is 2x plus y is 3y z is minus 4z whole square. That equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Next second one 2x whole square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్ ఉన్న టర్మ్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ ఉంది. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x స్క్వేర్ని మనం మైనస్ రూట్ 2x హోల్ స్క్వేర్గా రాస్తాం. ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ అంటే y హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 8z స్క్వేర్ 8z స్క్వేర్ అంటే 2 root 2 whole square plus 2xy. So 2 into x is minus root 2 minus root 2 x into y is y plus 2yz 2 into y into z is 2 root 2 z. Next plus 2zx 2 into z is 2 root 2z into x is minus root 2x. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు చూడండి ఇది ఏమవుతుందో చూడండి, -√2x² ప్లస్ y² ప్లస్ 2√2z² ఇలా ఉంది కదా. సో ఇది ఏ ఐడెంటిటీ, x² ప్లస్ y² ప్లస్ z² ప్లస్ 2xy ప్లస్ 2yz ప్లస్ 2zx ఈక్వల్ టు x ప్లస్ y ప్లస్ z² దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు x వాల్యూ -√2x ప్లస్ y ఈజ్ y ప్లస్ z ఈజ్ z ఏంటో చూడమ్మా, z వచ్చేసి 2√2z దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు -√2x ప్లస్ y ప్లస్ 2√2z ఇంటూ -√2x ప్లస్ y ప్లస్ 2√2z. Next, sixth problem, write the following cubes in expanded form. First one, 2x plus 1 whole cube, 2x plus 1 whole cube, 2x plus 1 whole cube. We know that x plus y whole cube equal to x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x² y plus 3xy². So that equal to, here x is 2x amma, so 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x whole square into 1 plus 3 into 2x into 1 square. 2x whole cube, 2 cube ante 8, 8x cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 2x² ante 4x² into 1 4x² plus 3 into 2 6x into 1. So that equal to 8x cube plus 1 plus 3 4s 12x² plus 6x into 1 6x. So that equal to ఒక ఆర్డర్లో రాద్దాం, 8x cube plus 12x² plus 6x plus 1. Next, second one, 2a minus 3b whole cube. So this is the next identity, x minus y whole cube equal to x cube, okay, minus y cube minus 3x² y plus 3xy². So that equal to x cube means 2a whole cube minus y cube means 3b whole cube minus 3 into x² means 2a whole square into y is 3b plus 3 into x is 2a into y² means 3b whole square. So 2a whole cube 8a cube minus 3b whole cube 27b cube minus 3 into 2a² ante 4a² into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 9b². So that equal to 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 3 4s 12, 12 3s 36a²b, 3 2 6, 6 9s 54ab². Next, third one, 3/2x plus 1 whole cube. This is the identity, x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x² y plus 3xy², where x equal to, here x equal to 3/2x, y equal to 1, here x equal to 3x/2, y equal to 1. So that equal to 3x/2 whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 3 into 3x/2 whole square into 1 plus 3 into 3x/2 into 1 square. 3/2x whole cube 27/8 x cube plus 1 cube means 1 plus 3 into 9 3x/2 whole square అంటే 9x² by 4 into 1 అంటే సేమ్ వస్తుంది ప్లస్ 3 3s 9x/2. So 27/8 x cube plus 3 9s 27/4 x square plus 9x/2 constant term last రాసాం plus 1. Next fourth one, x minus 2/3 y whole cube. So this one is the x minus y whole cube. X cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. So that equal to x cube. X is x minus y is 2/3y. So 2/3y whole cube minus 3 into x square into y is 2/3y plus 3 into x into 2/3y whole square. So x cube means x cube minus 2/3 whole cube 8/27y cube minus 3 into x square into 2y/3 3 cancel plus 3 into x into 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. So 4/9 y square, 3 ones, 3 threes. So that equal to x cube minus 8/27 y cube minus x square into 2y, 2x square y plus 1 into 4, 4x/3, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది చూడమ్మా, 4/3 x y స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. నా వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ మిత్రులకు షేర్ చేయండి, ఇంకా మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.